Hi everyone, welcome to Watch the LED Strip Knowledge video by Metalux LED. I'm Luis. In this video, I will show you how to install solderless connectors for LED strip light. Solderless connectors make it very easy to install LED strip lighting, while soldering provides the most stable connection for the LEDs. Our solderless connectors provide a strong connection without the actual work. Although the soldering is the best way to maintain a long-lasting connection, but the solderless connectors are a great way to get your project going quickly. When installed correctly, the connectors should not be loose and should provide a secure connection. We have many types of solderless connectors for your choice, such as strip to strip, strip to power, and strip to strip jumper. Okay, so let's see how to install the solderless connectors for LED strip lighting.